More on that.
Yeah, we have another round that's going to be here later this week, especially on Thursday. So Thursday, there's going to be multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms rolling through. We could still have some pretty serious stuff coming through during the early morning hours, bringing damaging wind gusts and possibly even some hail. But I really think during the morning, the midday hours of Thursday, our biggest concern is going to be the heavy rain potential. So just kind of plan ahead. Here's your early warning that your Thursday morning commute is likely going to be a slower than normal one. And then we see another round of storms likely developing late afternoon and into the evening, but it's that late afternoon evening round that I'm a little more concerned about, because that round is going to have the potential of isolated tornadoes, hail, as well as damaging wind gusts, and we're going to keep at least some of those around going into the overnight hours Thursday night into early Friday. So your severe weather outlook here, this is put out by the Storm Prediction Center. Most areas are highlighted here in this green color. That's a marginal risk. That's only a level 1 out of 5, so the lowest end risk possible. But I really wouldn't be surprised, especially with some of the data that I'm seeing coming out tonight, if this slight risk area, which is a level 2, I wouldn't be surprised if we see this stretch to the east tomorrow with the new update when it comes in. So just really stay weather aware over the next couple of days. Again, Thursday, that's going to be the day to watch, and I wouldn't be surprised if that slight risk area actually ends up getting expanded further to the east, putting more of us in that higher risk area. So the satellite and radar, things are quiet for us right now, but there are a couple storms kind of bubbling up in northern Missouri and southern Iowa. That's going to try to make it into our area tonight, but at this point, I'm still thinking that most, if not all of that, is going to stay just south of our viewing area, although there is a very small chance that some of those could stray into the far southern suburbs. So Futurecast showing just that. Again, most, if not all of that activity likely staying to our south. Couple sprinkles may be possible, but temperatures tonight looking really mild. We're going to be in the mid to upper 40s tonight. And just to put that number in perspective, typically for this time of the year, that's where our high temperatures are, and that's going to be our low temperature tonight, is in the 40s. So we're already getting a jump start to that warmth tomorrow. Through the daytime hours of Wednesday, most of the day is likely going to be spent under dry skies. Now, most areas away from the lake, so further inland, the west suburbs, south suburbs, wouldn't be surprised if you're actually making it to near 70 degrees, but the lakefront communities, and especially the north and northwest suburbs, we're going to have one of those backdoor cold fronts moving through, coming in right off of Lake Michigan, dropping those temperatures during the afternoon. So our high temperatures are only going to be in the 60s. Now, looking ahead to Thursday, I have the clock stopped here by 6 a.m. and we're seeing some pretty heavy rain moving through. So again, slow commute is likely Thursday morning. Another wave is likely going to be coming through around midday, but here comes that evening round. So after about 5 p.m., those are the stronger storms that I think are going to be here, presenting all hazards being possible, isolated tornadoes included in that. So your high temperatures today, most areas topped out in the upper 60s to low 70s. Temperatures will be trending downward here over the next couple of days. I think Friday is likely going to be one of our cooler days with highs right around 50. Right now, 63 degrees, so it is still nice and warm. Tonight, we're dropping back to about 47. Your 7-day forecast tomorrow, we're mainly dry, but we do have that chance of storms Wednesday night leading through Thursday. Friday, we're finally drying out. And if you do have plans for St. Patrick's Day, whether you're celebrating on Saturday or on Sunday, the weather is clearing up just in time. So we are dry.
It's good news.
Yeah, it is good news.
All right.
Thank you so much, Emily.
During this